Hello, YouTube friends. I'm Johnny, your PEI EV guy. Thanks for tuning back into my channel. So, Parks Canada has taken the initiative to install some electric vehicle chargers in many of their parks from coast to coast, and this includes three of the parks here in Prince Edward Island: Greenwich Park, Brackley Beach, and up at Green Gables in Cavendish. They're installing not only just normal J1772 chargers, but also Tesla destination chargers. A few weeks ago, I was at Brackley Beach with my family enjoying a beach day, and I saw the chargers up and installed. I'll put a picture here or this side, whichever side it goes. And as you can see, the chargers are installed, but there's no power cables connected yet, so they're not working. And I saw this week on the app PlugShare, and if you don't know what PlugShare is, check it out. It is a great app for electric vehicles and sharing electric vehicle chargers. It's awesome. So anyway, I saw on the app PlugShare that someone had tried to plug in at Brackley Beach and the charger wouldn't work. So my plan today is to drive to these three parks and let's investigate these chargers and see if they're up and running. And if they are, we'll update the app and show them working. And if not, we'll update that accordingly as well. To begin, I've driven up to Greenwich, which is on the northeast side of Prince Edward Island, and let's see if we can find these chargers and see what the deal is. Alright guys, I'm filming from inside the car because it is just too windy today. The audio is absolutely terrible. So I took a walk around the parking lot to see if I could find the chargers, and I couldn't see them anywhere. I'll show you the parking lot real quick there, like that. But I spotted something interesting. Check this out. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. See that orange pylon right there? It is centered exactly in the middle of the grass, and it straddles like 4 parking spaces on either side there. I'm willing to bet that's where the chargers are going to be installed. I'm going to take a walk inside there and see if I can find someone to talk to and get some answers. But if that's the case, that's pretty disappointing that the chargers are not installed up here yet. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, I just got back from talking to two young ladies in the Greenwich Interpretive Center there. And the good news is that they are very aware that the national parks are installing electric vehicle chargers here in PEI. And they also know exactly where those chargers are. And the bad news is they're still in storage and have yet to be installed. Turns out I was exactly right. That spot that I showed you is where those chargers are going to go. Whoever Parks Canada hired to install the chargers and get them up and running just hasn't done these ones yet. It could be because of the COVID pandemic. As a matter of fact, it is not very busy up here right now on a Monday morning. So now we're going to go up to Brackley Beach. I know for a fact those chargers are installed. Like I said, I saw them there. Let's see if they're powered up and operational. So let's go for a drive. Okay guys, as you can see, I've made it up here to Brackley Beach. Once again, the wind is blowing pretty good, so I'll do my best to have some decent audio here for you. So each station has 2 chargers at it. A normal Tesla destination charger, just like I have in my house. And the other side of the unit is the Tesla destination charger with a J772 plug on it. That's pretty cool. I'll get that back in there. So I plugged in Darth Vader, and as you can see, it actually says nothing right there. So as you can see, the car is plugged in. It does say ready to charge up there, but down here I've got a notification I've never seen before. Charging equipment not ready. See equipment instructions to start charging. So I would hazard a guess to say when the electrician installed the chargers and connected the power cords, they didn't adjust the dial that's inside the charging unit itself to calibrate it for the power that's going out. I'll add that to my list of questions for Parks Canada to see what the deal is with that charger. So now I'm going to unplug the car and let's drive up to Cavendish to Green Gables and see if those chargers are working up there. Okay everyone, I've arrived at the Anna Green Gables National Historic Site in Cavendish, Prince Edward Island. As you can see, there's the car, there's the entrance with the gift shop to the park. I pan across here, and of course there is the house to Prince Edward Island's favorite fictional character. As I pan back over here, there's the two chargers. Same as the Brackley location, we have a Tesla destination charger, or excuse me, two Tesla destination chargers, one with the normal adapter, one with the J772 adapter, and unfortunately, they're not turned on yet, so they're not available to charge. So there you have it. We're 0 for 3 for all three of these Parks Canada chargers. We'll have to do some inquiry to Parks Canada and get some information on when these chargers are going to be installed and ready for public use. And when I have that information, I, of course, will let you know. And although the chargers aren't installed yet, still had a fun day. Got to drive from Greenwich to Cavendish. It's always a nice day to drive this beautiful Tesla Model 3 across Prince Edward Island, right? And I guess that's it for me today. As always, I want to thank each and every one of you for liking and sharing and doing that stuff that I always point down there. That's great. My channel's seen a boost recently, and it really humbles me. I really appreciate it when you guys take the time out of your day to watch my content here. And with that, I'm going to sign off. And as always, I say thank you very much and see ya.